going to show you a working water science experiment. For that, you need an empty cup, some food coloring, some tissues, and water. Now I'm going to take 3 cups and add some water. Now I'm going to add some food coloring. First I'm going to add some red. Now I'm going to take 2 empty cups and I'll keep them between the cups. Now take a tissue paper and fold it. Now take a tissue paper and put it like this. Look! The water is traveling. It's traveling up the tissue. After a few hours, the empty glass is filled with water. Because you know why? The water travels up on the paper towel and goes down. It is called capillary action. So this is my working water experiment. Thank you.